Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to start off truck week. Now it's 19, that's hot. It's 1954 Chevy 3100, it's best candidate. Now, the one that's sitting behind the camera is a 65 C10. I'm going to start with something off a little bit rarer than that. Start off with a, all original 54. 265, no, 235. Bring y'all in here. This one is all original. This is the reason why I wanted to start it off. Well, this one this week because it's got the original motor in it. It's been rebuilt, but it is the original. And this was add-on. Papa added that on to it. The interior's got it's a little messed up, but it'll do good. Ow! I just popped my knee. To get all 3 on the tree. Aftermarket stereo, all kinds of other goodies in here, like your Farmall parts. But yeah, that's for your that's hot. For max AC, definitely for this time of year. I love these old trucks. It's 90 something degrees today here in South Carolina, and yeah. Anyway, stop going out. Oh, damn. You better stay close. Do a walk around. Nice old truck, I'll tell you. Needs a wash. Needs a gas line reinstalled. A few other little minor things. Look at that firewall, guys. No rust on it whatsoever. That's hard to find now. Look right over here. That right down there, that's your generator. They didn't have no alternators yet. This right here, that's your generator. Then you got your distributor cap. With the Farmalls, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is 6. Because it's an inline 6. Over here, you got your old-fashioned. Well, I'm way too close in. Your carburetor. There's, as you guys can see, there's no computers anywhere. That's what I like about this thing. It's not all computerized and modern. And then you got that. But yeah, look at that belt. There's not a thing wrong with that belt. And it's not stuck either. Rust free. Yeah, it's got some surface rust, but that's alright. But look at that, guys. I mean, it is straight. It's a straight truck, I'll tell you. Back mounted up here. Guess I need to tell y'all a little story. soon as soon as I tell you a little story about my 6-year-old self sitting in Papa's lap trying to drive. Well, this is it. I'll be over there shifting gears, and I'll be driving right up and down this driveway. And we would ride around. We always had a good time in this. This brings back a lot of memories. His dad had this. His dad bought this in '56, and Papa went on his first date with my Nene back in 1961 or 60 or 61. Papa went on his first date in this truck. Picked her right on up at the right time. So, anyway, everything is all original except for the rust on the mirrors. Other than that, it's a clean truck. Now, guys, this is how you can tell the 1954 Chevrolet truck from a. Hold on, guys. Alright, guys, I had to adjust the camera mount. Here's how you can tell if it's a 54. And if I can get this camera right. Hey! An early 55 models. These, the rectangle headlights and the front grille. The 53s were a little bit different. I'll show y'all, but Raymond ain't got a front end for the 53 Chevy 3100 that you guys saw on Chevrolet Week back in November. Late October, early November. Nice little truck, I'm telling you guys. That's how a lot of these looked in early 55. About mid 1955, I think it was. I believe it would have been March. Then they made them like a box. Made it box shaped. But yeah, this one is what they call shoebox Chevrolet. Bel Airs and stuff. That's what they call the Bel Airs and the 150s and the 210s. Guys, where else are you gonna find a man that's got his dad's old pickup truck, his hot rod he bought and built, with a bunch of old farm tractors? I mean, it's never heard of. I guess that's why I'm the only one out there that does this kind of stuff. But anyway, guys, I want to bring Papa on here sometime, like I did with 65. He gets out of his comfort zone. He's not really Papa when it comes to that stuff, which is all right. But I'll see y'all tomorrow for the 65 C10. And there will be some Fords, and there won't be any Dodges because there ain't none on this property. All we have is Fords and Chevrolets and Farmalls and 2 Allis Chalmerses. So we gotta have to find a old Dodge for what I want to do. Now this week you guys are going to see 50s model, early 50s models to 70s models pickup trucks, maybe. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and be ready for tomorrow, because we are going to do the 65 C10. So we're going from original to hot rod tomorrow. So anyway, I'll see y'all later.